What drives your team's performance? There's a story from Steve Wynn, the founder of Wynn Resorts. He and his family were staying at a Four Seasons hotel in Paris. One morning, they ordered room service for breakfast. His daughter only ate half of her croissant, leaving the other half in the room to eat later. When they returned to the room, she was disappointed to find that housekeeping had removed the leftover half of her croissant, but there was a message on their room phone from the front desk. The message informed them that housekeeping had removed the croissant, thinking they would prefer a fresh pastry on their return. The front desk had arranged for a fresh pastry to be set aside in the kitchen, and on request, room service would deliver it to their room. This is a great example of team cohesion and how it can impact outcomes and a team's performance. But team cohesion like this doesn't happen without the right leadership. Clearly, the leadership team of this hotel was able to convey to the staff that customer satisfaction equals success, convincing housekeeping, the front desk, the kitchen, and room service to all work together, demonstrating initiative and service excellence.